Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our today's question on LeetCode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 21st August, and the question is repeated substring pattern. We will read this question first and we'll try to figure out how we can solve this question. So given a string s, check if it can be constructed by taking a substring of it and appending multiple copies of the substring together. So basically we are having this string s, and what we have to do, we have to check whether it is possible to take a substring of this s and append it multiple times in order to get s. Okay, so you can see that in this string s, ab is a string, and in this string we can take ab as a substring and we can append it twice in order to get the same string s. So we will return true in this case. In second test case, we will have s is equal to aba. So it is not possible to have any such substring which can be appended multiple times in order to get s. So in this case we will just return false. And in the third case, you can see that we are having abc 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 as a substring, as a string. So in this string we can take abc as a substring and we can append it 4 times in order to get string s. So we will just return true. So let us think about the procedure how we can solve this question. So basically, in order to solve this question, what we will do, we will just append s 2 times. Okay, we will append s twice, and let's say for the first input we will get ab for our first input. Okay, and in this string what we will do, we will just check on this substring. Okay, we will just check on this substring. So basically this substring is basically b ab a. So we will just check in this substring whether s is present or not, whether s is present or not. So we will just check whether s is present or not in this substring, and if it is present we will just return true, otherwise we will just return false. So in order to we will try to implement this. So basically we will have a string temp which is nothing but s plus s, and another string st which will be nothing but this substring. So s substring, okay, temp dot substring, and 1 comma temp dot size minus 2. Okay, so in this st what we'll do, if st dot find s, if this value is equal to -1, it means s is not present in st. So s is not present in st, so we will just return false as we have discussed, and otherwise we will just return true. So let us see whether the code works or not. So you can see that the test cases are passing. Let us see for main cases. So yeah, all the cases are passing. So I will again try to explain this code. So basically what we will do, we will just append the string s twice, and in this string what we will do, we will just check for this substring which is excluding the first character and the last character. So basically we are on this substring and we will check whether we are having string s present in this substring or not. So basically if s is present, so we can say that we are having multiple copies of any substring of s. Okay, so you can see that we are having so if we find s here, we are able to get a particular substring. Okay, and otherwise we will not get any substring. So that's what I have done here. I have taken a temp string which is nothing but string which is formed by appending string s twice. Okay, and in this temp string what I am looking for, I am looking for this substring. So I have separated out this substring using this substring syntax, and in this string st I have tried to find whether it is whether we are having s or not in this substring, in this string. And if it is not possible, basically if st dot find of s is equal to -1, it means it s is not present in st, we will return false, otherwise we will return true. So in this way we have solved this question. I hope you understood my solution, and if you like my code, you can like my video also. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, or if you want to share any idea regarding this question, you can write in comment section. And if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.